you doing? I'm trying to get the truck driver to honk. You'll never do it. We'll see about that. Get back on the bus. Can you just do the thing? Is someone talking? Why are you ignoring me? I don't hear anything. I have to make it more clear. He's in the truck. Try ignoring this. It's so quiet in here. You're distracting him. I knew you couldn't do it. He's looking. What do you want, kid? I guess so. Look at the road. You distracted me.